Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 26th. My name is Todd Graff. This is Tim Murphy, and this is the Gold Spot. So things have been pretty crazy around here. There's a lot of interesting things happening out there in the markets, in the news, everything. One big report that's come out recently that affects this industry. The Silver Institute released their report for 2022, and there's been some shocking statistics and some very interesting things in there, Tim. And I know you know a lot about that. Can you share some of those details with us?
Yeah, absolutely, Todd. This report is an annual report by the Silver Institute. It's a supply and demand report, and just take it back a couple of years or a couple of decades. Silver's been running in a surplus, meaning supplies has been greater than demand every year, and like clockwork. But last year, 2021, the year before, was the first time silver actually went into a deficit position where the demand is actually greater. And then the number that came out just last week, it didn't get a lot of fanfare, but it's very, very significant, because the demand now for silver worldwide annually is 1.25 billion ounces. And the supply is now just below 1 billion ounces. So we've got 20-25% deficit. And the reason why this is happening is because the prices have been held down artificially. Everyone is very aware of this now in gold and silver, but especially silver. And with these lower prices, you've got everyone coming in and taking advantage of these prices, artificially low prices. So you've got China, India, Russia, large wealthy individuals are all buying up physical silver, and they're depleting it. And then on top of that, we've got in the next couple of years, the demand for solar panels via China, electric cars, all that stuff is going to increase. And because the price is still so low, the amount being produced worldwide is decreasing. So this disparity is going to grow and grow and grow, and it's a really very powerful situation. So. And then in the same light, we're seeing demand at the office here in our clients. And I think, Todd mentioned this morning, and I think he wants to talk a little bit more about that, about what's happening, what we're seeing firsthand.
Yeah. I mean, not only are we noticing the increase in demand and also the increase in shortages as well, the supply decrease. But what we're noticing more than anything is people are losing confidence in the US dollar and losing confidence in the banking system. About 7 weeks ago with the Silicon Valley Bank, I mean, that really rattled people's confidence in the whole monetary system. People are looking at other options for a long-term store of value other than just keeping money in the bank or keeping cash under the mattress, so to speak. So, I mean, we still have a lot of good options. We can help you come up with different solutions. Everybody has different goals and different needs when it comes to financial matters. And I think physical precious metals right now makes more sense than anything else that's an option out there. Tim, do you have anything else to add?
Yeah, just keep in mind, silver, historically, it's very volatile. When it goes, it really, really goes. And this is set up. This is set up for just an explosion, like a moonshot. And so if you don't have silver now and you're waiting for a couple dollars lower, you're waiting for premiums to come down, you're going to be out of luck, because when this goes, it's going to go fast and hard. And you need to be in it now or as soon as you can in order to protect yourself. It's a very critical time in our history.
All right, well, that's it for the Gold Spot for this week. Good luck out there. We'll be back next week.